Welcome everyone to another episode of Tock Tech Talk, where we review a tech gadget in 1 minute. Today I have a product that really sucks, the Dyson V11 vacuum. There are plenty of reasons why Dyson's cordless vacuums are expensive and worth every cent. So what's different with the new Dyson V11 vacuum? Well, for starters, it has a bigger battery and more powerful digital motor, enabling it to have an even stronger suction power for the most stubborn of surfaces. The downside of that big battery is that it's actually quite heavy to hold with one hand. Another new addition to the V11 is the LCD screen, making it easier for users to switch between modes, which is Eco, Auto, and Boost. It also lets you know if there is blockage in here, or if the filter needs maintenance, or how much time you have left. The dynamic note load sensor is another new thing with the V11, which means it intelligently and automatically switches motor speeds between carpets and hard floors so that it saves battery life. It will automatically detect it, so not a problem at all. On that note, battery life is enough for a quick clean, but charging time really takes quite a while, like 4.5 hours plus. The other thing that is great with the Dyson vacuums is that the attachments are really easy to attach and detach with just a click, and time is up. So much to say and so little time. To conclude, I'd just like to add that it's really easy to dispose the dirt collected in here with its point and shoot system, which is this little thing. Also, it's easy to attach and detach the attachments with just one click, which was what I was trying to say earlier on. Another great thing about this Dyson cordless vacuum is that it's super portable, although there are people who wish that Dyson did include the option for you to not have to hold the trigger the entire time you're cleaning, because this would be very tiring to hold it for like 15-20 minutes straight. But otherwise, its strength definitely overweights its flaws. Well, whether you believe it or not, I guess the easiest way for you to see how amazing this new Dyson V11 vacuum is by testing it out yourself. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Well, it has a bigger battery and a more powerful digital motor. It's new with the V11. Sorry.